right, hold it right there. Easy now, set it down. Slow down, slow down. All right, set it down. Alignment's good, we are clear. Make sure this connection point is secure before we move it down the line. Okay.
I'm checking the disc brake assembly now with the tool.
Okay, lift your side up slightly. Like this.
Like this.
Perfect. Now hold it there while I secure the brace.
I'm tightening the main bracket bolt now.
And I am securing the hydraulic hose connection.
Steering mechanism is fully installed and secured.
Solid.
How are the readings on the caster angle?
Stabilizing at 2.5 degrees. Camber is set.
This connection point looks good according to the schematic.
Agreed. Torque seems correct on the bolts as well.
How does the front axle look?
It meets all specifications. Approved.
Crane, easy down on 2, looking good. Thumbs up, secure the stand. Check the torque specs on this differential housing. The casting looks good.
Confirmed. Matches the RT46-160 requirements.
See how the air pressure in these orange bags adjusts? The height control valve manages that flow directly.
Okay, so that's how we maintain the adjustable ride height.
The next station isn't ready for the dual drive systems yet.
We should reroute them to Bay 3 temporarily.
The torque transfer seems stable across the U-joints.
Agreed. Vibration levels are within spec.
This is the automatic slack adjuster.
Right?
It maintains the lining to drum clearance.
Okay, I see how it works now.
The alignment on the front axle looks good.
Yes, and the driveline connection here is secured properly. This assembly is ready for sign-off.
Okay, I'm tightening the bolts now. Watch the laser readout.
Steady at 0. Approved for assembly. A little to the left, slow it down. Got it. Looks aligned on this side. Clear to lower.
Lower it slowly. We are almost aligned.
Confirmed, bringing it down now.
The torque specs on axle 5 look good.
Yeah, the preliminary report confirms it's within tolerance.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the right side.
Holding steady. Clearance looks good.
Ensure the lug is fully seated before I confirm the schematic.
It's secure. Connection finalized.
The routing matches the diagram up to segment C.
Okay, securing this section now.
Lining up the connector now. Harness is clear, ready for the push, and locked. Confirmed secure. Make sure the green wire aligns with the CAN low connection right there.
Got it. Securing the multi-pin connector now.
Looks good. Connection is solid. Hold it steady right there. Wires are clear. Okay, tightening the bolts now. Okay, push it in. It should click.
Secured. Running the diagnostic sequence now.
All modules communicating. We are good to go.
Excellent. This connection point needs adjustment.
Okay, let me reseat the harness connector. Verification sequence initiated.
Ensure this coupling is torqued to spec.
Confirmed, all lines secured. Check the pressure on the Bendix unit.
It's holding steady at 120 psi.
Almost there. How's the pressure reading?
Right on spec. Good to go.
All right, bring her down easy. A little to the right. Hold it there, watch the gap.
Adjust the alignment slightly to the left.
How does that look?
That's within tolerance. Secure the connection point.
Torque set on this clamp. Alignment looks good on the DEF injector. We are clear.
That chrome finish looks incredible now that it's all installed. We did a great job on this one.
Yeah. This is the TPMS sensor. We need to ensure it's calibrated correctly before dispatch.
I'll get the reader to verify the signal. What do you think of the new chassis?
It's perfect. We did a great job.
All right, bring it forward. Looks fantastic. Slowly now, keep it straight. Great job, everyone.
Continue straight for 1 mile, then merge onto the highway heading north.
Mất phải hộp vậyครับหากว่ามีปีนนะครับสายเงินนีในรูปหน้าออกความที่แอดแกลดอยหลอมมีชาลบพาน
Chassis inspection clear.
Confirmed. Moving to engine diagnostics now.
This display here shows your real-time fuel efficiency and engine diagnostics.
Okay, got it.
Look at this chrome bumper. She's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it really shines up nice in this sun, doesn't it? Here are the keys to your new truck. Thank you. Pleasure doing business with you.
We don't just build trucks, we handcraft legacies. And when it's ready, we hand the keys directly to the customer.